Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 2023, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to access Privacy. Then select Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. Now select one of your apps, in my case Chrome, and tap on the best option for you in order to apply it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up don't allow, so when I click and go back, as you can see, Chrome no longer has access to my device's location. If you want to, you can always just tap on your app instead. Scroll all the way down and tap on See All Permissions. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!